And as welcome. Welcome to a video presentation on copyright. Today we'll delve into the core concept of copyright and other components which are integrated within this concept in the IPT syllabus. To begin, what is copyright? Copyright is the right to use, copy, or control the work of authors and artists, including software developers. But wait, isn't copyright a consequence? This is not the case. The concept of copyright infringement is a law enforced to protect the rights of authors, artists, and software developers. Copyright is represented by the symbol C. Information available on the World Wide Web is protected by copyright. The various sources embedded on the internet must not be reproduced without referencing or gaining permission by the creator. How can we integrate others' work into our own? This process differs in various situations. For example, when writing an essay, the information used may not be all of the original creator's work. Hence, it is appropriate to reference and state that this information is someone else's by using referencing methods including Harvard and Oxford, which incorporates in-text referencing, citations, bibliography, including author, date published, date accessed, and page URL. Let's look at an example. Melix wants to upload a video to YouTube. He's using a song that is not his. Melix must go through a process before he can present his information. Firstly, he must check for the song and the restrictions that surround it in relation to being protected by copyright. Melix does this and notices that the song will leave him with a copyright strike. Given this, Melix emails the song's producing company and the artist to discuss whether he has permission to use the song. This artist and his or her producers grant him permission, but he must credit the source. Felix then goes back to uploading his video and leaves the artist's details and states the music isn't his. This process is vital when integrating content that is not the creator's own. Why do copyright laws exist? Copyright laws exist to protect developers so they receive the funds for their efforts. However, software developers make their packages available online. With the progression of information technology, software packages are easily distributed at a mass rate, making it difficult to apprehend the distributors. What is software piracy? Software piracy is the illegal copying of software. But why is this of concern? Well, great question. Let's find out through a news article which discusses the concept as to why copyright laws exist. A certain website known for enabling file sharing has been involved in a legal court case incorporating companies including Universal, Sony Music, Warner's Music, and many other companies. This particular website breached the parameters of the existing copyright laws, so developers of the content involved are fully subject to all profits. Why are content developers so brutal? These developers lose hundreds of millions of dollars due to software piracy. Developers and the Declaration of Copyright Laws put emphasis on the need for software to not be copied and distributed. The concept of this includes higher prices for content. Thus, the main purpose is to maintain profit for developers and an appropriate price to purchase the product. Copyright protection varies based on situation. A site license incorporates an organization integrating software in their workplace or workplaces. Furthermore, this site license enables organizations to save money instead of investing in individual copies of the same software. A network license works similarly by allowing users on the same computer network to access the software program. In today's modern society, this program also incorporates inserting a code for the protection key. A software protection key, softlock, can be used for network licenses, replacing the hardware USB key. Shareware is software which is provided free and can be distributed, but requires users to pay for the software they use. But what does this mean? Let's look at an example. Rhett here has been given software for free. He shares it with his friends. However, they are prompted to pay for the shareware. Freeware is software which can be freely distributed and used. Freeware is most commonly distributed via the internet. This concept is evident in the scenario below.